What's going on, guys? Will here, and today we're back with a slightly different video today. I'm actually recording this intro and the outro at the same time after the video's been recorded because the footage messed up, so redoing it, take two. But anyway, yeah, today we're going to be doing a sort of like bumper install on A's Mercedes. The story behind it is that we was driving down the motorway and we actually had a deer run out in front of us. It was all okay, it just cracked the bumper, but we had to replace the bumper. It was just unsalvageable. The plastic had snapped all over the place, so you'll see that in a second. So what we actually done is we bought a new bumper and we thought, you know what, we'll change this ourselves and we'll get it all sorted. Now, the first part of the video, I was there to help and record and, you know, do the bumper install with her. The second part, she had to put it all back together herself, so there's less footage for that part, just because we had a time frame to do it in and I had work. So yeah, that's going to be today's video. If you do enjoy, please remember to leave a like on the video and comment your thoughts down below on what you thought of it. Also, hit that subscribe button. We're so close to that 1,000 subscriber mark. Hit that bell as well to be notified whenever I upload. And yeah, let's try and smash this 1,000 subscribers. Hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. Also, remember to follow my Instagram. I'll leave a link down below in the description, or you can just see the username on the banner here. So, yep, this is what this dodgy driver over here has done. She's been killing deers pretty much, so we've just taped it up to start with, but as you can see, this whole bumper's cracked. We're going to try and salvage this. This we might be able to salvage, but it's a bit bent, so we need to see. But yeah, we bought a new one, which we weren't sure if it was going to colour match, but
looks good, doesn't it? Looks alright.
Looks fairly alright, doesn't it? Yeah, I mean, you've even got a darkened out grille there, and you like your blacked out stuff, so that's going to go over your wheels a lot more.
Well, we won't know until we put it on. So.
Alright, let's do it, innit? One thing I hate about bumpers, they're all such tight spaces.
It's still rolling. Now put it off. Yeah, put it off then.
Candy's
like you did before.
Like 3, remember? That's one of 3. Or 2, was it?
Oh,
2?
three screws, sorry. I thought there was only one. No. Sorry, I didn't.
It's a left-handed job then.
My hand is in agony right now.
Yeah, he's taken over for the last screw. The screws off, we just got one like little pulley thing. So technical. A's having a go at it now. Now we can just pull it all off. You're going to saw it off. Whew, I'm out of breath. So, I've just hopped in the car because 1, I need to go get my camera. 2, I need to go collect the keys from James because they're not locking up and we've only got one set of keys. And then we'll be back. Yeah, got all the screws out. It's just these clips, man. Clips are my worst nightmare. What was that? Was that? Hang on.
We've been doing this for about 2 minutes. Will comes and says, yeah, let me have a go. Bang, bang, bang. In it goes.
Bit of brute force. It shows all you need is someone with a bit of brute force, you know? Sometimes just smacking something actually works.
Obviously.
So in my absence, you got the thing off, all right, which is all good. Go on, eh?
I don't know what just done.
Just hit it in there. It's not gonna come out, is it? Just try and pull it. If it don't come out, it's in. As always, we decided to do this an hour before it gets dark. It's always the way with us, isn't it?
No, you've done it wrong, right?
I've done it wrong.
The top clip's in, you need to release the top clip. Push it in.
Just drilling in the holes now for the sensors.
So we have put it all back together. Well, you put it back together because I was at work. Should we see how you done? How do you think you did?
I'm a mechanic now.
You're a mechanic.
Okay, I think it's fair to say I'm a mechanic.
I mean, I think you've done a pretty good job. I think we should reveal it to everyone. I mean, when did you do it? Probably a couple of weeks ago now, isn't it?
Yeah.
A couple of weeks ago. And no issues so far? Okay.
Still on.
Yeah, it's still on. No issues. We've got a couple of little things. We've spoken to Liam, who's still on the channel. He thinks a couple of little things need tweaking. But for a first attempt, much better than what I could do.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying.
just needs a clean.
Just needs a clean. Okay,
That's it.
let's show everyone. Show everyone what you did. Okay, so I'm going to reveal it. I'm going to pan up. You ready? Bang! Look at that. Luckily, we got one which is the same colour. I mean, or looking at it. Oh yeah, no, it's just the lighting. Yeah, definitely the same colour there. Cool. But, okay, so I think you've done an amazing job. I'm not going to lie. Putting it back together yourself. So there are just a couple of things which we just need to rectify, which we won't be doing in this video, but we'll be doing in the next one. So the first one is this. So basically when the accident happened, accident, it's not really an accident, you hit a deer.
Yeah.
When you hit the deer, you snap the clip there. So basically we just need to get a new one of these so we can clip it all in. As you can see, it's a little bit bent, but from afar, looks fine to me. So obviously the fitment here is all good, which, wow, there's a little bit of a gap, but you know, we ain't much better than that. There's a bit of tape and stuff on here from when it first came that we just need to get off, which is fine. The only other thing that we need to fix is just the fitment's a little bit close along here. So we just need to fix that. And there's a little bit of a gap here on this side, so we just need to rectify that. But on the whole, I think it's a lot better. It looks really weird because the rains all ran off here and dripped to here, so it looks like they're different colours, but they're actually the same.
They are the same.
They are the same. My little baby in the background.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, you birds like you, innit? Caught it 4K. Oh, but yeah. Pretty good job. How was your first install? Would you rate it out of 10? Your first modification that you've done by yourself?
10, 100%.
I enjoyed it. You know, even though it cost me money to replace the one that obviously was damaged by the deer. Rest in peace. Yeah, I enjoyed it, and I'm basically like a mechanic now. So if you ever need me, hit me up.
Also gives me a video to do as well. But yeah, right, that's gonna be the end of the video. You're gonna sign off now.
Yes, thanks for watching my video on my car.
Yeah, brilliant. Smashed it.
So guys, that will be the end of the video today. Like I said, it was a fairly short one. We didn't get too much footage on putting the bumper back together. If you did enjoy, please remember to hit that like button down below. Also comment your thoughts and opinions below as well on what you wanted to see us do in the future. And then finally, remember to hit that subscribe button. We're so close to 1,000, so if you could, I'd really appreciate it. Also hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload as well. But yeah, that's it. We've got a fun video coming out next week, but until then, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.